I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the laptop. Remove an external battery if present to avoid shorts. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap or touch a metal radiator to discharge static, because sensitive components can die from a tiny shock. Once done, flip the laptop and remove the access panel or bottom screws in a logical order. Keep each screw with its matching hole. Make sure to photograph screw locations for reassembly, and set tools within reach before you proceed. You now expose the GPU fan and heatsink. Carefully unplug the fan cable and unfasten any clips. To prevent bearing damage, hold the fan blade still with a finger or plastic pick while you use compressed air in short 2-3 second bursts, directed from inside out to push dust away. Then, use a soft brush to dislodge caked dust from fins and vacuum lightly. Avoid touching thermal paste. Once clean, inspect for bent fins or broken blades and ensure no debris remains in vents. You're ready to reassemble. If you remove the heatsink, clean old thermal paste and apply a pea-sized amount of new paste before seating it. Tighten screws in a cross pattern to ensure even contact. Reconnect the fan cable, replace the bottom panel, and power on while monitoring fan noise and GPU temps with a utility. Make sure fan spools smoothly. If the fan fails to spin or temperatures remain elevated, power down. Reopen and check connectors or consider replacing the fan. That solves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.